Horse shit.
It's like douchebag. Douchebag is another word.
That is a good word. That is. Don't hate on douchebag.
Douchebag rocks.
Yeah, hogwash is also a good word. You know what else is an underused?
Oh boy! I'm a little nervous.
Hey, look at the parachute, guys. I love the parachute, guys.
Oh, yeah.
I want one.
And that is.